Hello everyone, I'm Crypto Nobes. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at the latest big news to do with Stellar, and we're also going to be taking a look at a few things to do with DigiByte. We are also going to be having a look at Bitcoin volatility is the lowest it has been in 15 months, and that means only two things. If you guys like anything I bring to you, don't forget to smash that like button, share the video, or subscribe, as it really does help my channel out. And I want to know your thoughts down below about this bull market that's going to be coming up, or do you think it's going to be going down? With that, let's jump straight in the video. So if we take a look at the market as a whole, majority of the market is in the red, but everything is staying above the key resistance points, which is very important. If we take a look at Stellar is one of the only cryptos in the top 20 that is in the green at the minute. 45% in the past 30 days, 8% in the past 24 hours, which is really good to see, to be fair. And why is this? Why is Stellar one of the only ones in the green at the minute? Now, Stellar yesterday had some big news come out, and I want to show you this article. Samsung doubles down on crypto with support for payments on blockchain Stellar. The Stellar Development Foundation, a non-profit organisation that supports the development and growth of the Stellar network, today announced the integration of Stellar into the Samsung blockchain key store. The integration will allow Samsung device users to be able to securely store the private keys associated with the Stellar blockchain wallet. This solves what has traditionally been a challenging part of the blockchain user experience, which is the ability to manage private keys in a secure manner. Typically, the more secure the solution, the more challenging the experience is for the user. The ability to manage keys in both a secure and user-friendly way is a key hurdle that the blockchain community must clear if it's able to expand its appeal to a broader set of mass market users. From the technology inclined earlier adopters and hobbyists that predominantly use the technology today. Now, this is big news, really big news, because over the past week, if you've guys been having a look at all, everything is getting these big partnerships. Everything is doing really well, and it's a very big sign. This is just a small phase of adoption. This could be the key to adoption. If this is the start of something, then we are going to be in for a big year. I don't want to jump the gun too fast, but this could be one hell of a year. I've been born hell of the next 18 months. This could be incredible. Stellar XLM could be the next altcoin to pump the crypto markets. The crypto market has been providing hints of an altcoin season, as digital assets such as Link, Cardano and Comp exhibit massive gains. According to Peter Brandit, Stellar XLM could be the next altcoin to pump in the crypto markets. Stellar is currently testing the 10-cent line, 10-cent resistance zone, and a break above this level would confirm the drive up. Many altcoins have been performing well since the coronavirus crash of mid-March. The performance of altcoins coupled with Bitcoin's lack of volatility has led to many crypto traders and investors to conclude that the environment is ripe for an alt season. Evidence of this can be found through the recent impressive gains seen by digital assets such as Cardano, Compound Finance and Chainlink and Zilliqa. Stellar XLM could be the next altcoin to pump when Bitcoin continues to trade with the tight range of 9,300 or 8,800. The crypto market environment is conducive enough for other altcoins such as Stellar to pump in the crypto markets. The market effects of the Twitter hack that happened 24 hours might have eroded, and the crypto markets can once again continue with the business as usual, which is really bullish in my opinion. I want to show you quickly before we talk about DigiByte. I want to show you this quick article, and this is one or two things we're heading in the direction of. Bitcoin's volatility drops to 15 15-month low. Is a bull run coming? Bitcoin's volatility has dropped to a 15-month low as the cryptocurrency's price hovers with a narrow range. According to the data from TradingView, its volatility level sits at 28%, the lowest since late March 2019 when it hit 25%. Its volatility has steadily declining ever since June. Historically, this either means one of two things. Either a Bitcoin bull run is about to happen, or the market is going to see a big sell-off. Past data supports this hypothesis. However, many people within the cryptocurrency industry have long championed Bitcoin as a store of value, and because its price should become more stable, the more it establishes itself as a SOV. It's also highly possible that the recent decline in volatility is a sign of acting more like digital gold. Now, this is big. This is ridiculously big because this should generally be the start. If you guys have been following me from the start or even checked out any of my older videos, I always used to show the Bitcoin stock to flow, and I still do believe in this Bitcoin stock to flow very strongly. And personally, I just think this could be generally it, because this is going to be what a lot of people have been waiting for. I started investing pretty much at the end of the bull market. I'm not going to beat the bush over. I'm no expert. I'm just a normal guy that wants to bring the latest news, exciting news about cryptocurrency. And I got into it at the end of the last bull run, and ever since then I've just been constantly trying to learn as much as I can about it and understand what this actually is, and convince myself every day more and more and more that I'm not crazy, that we're not crazy, and this is actually legit. Now we're in a position where this is phase 2, what we've been waiting for a lot of us. If you got in over this year, congratulations, you've just saved yourself about 3-4 years worth of stress. But this is just bigger news in general, in my opinion. It's going to go one or two ways. It's rather going to go, this is the start of the bull run, or it's going to be a big sell-off. Remember, even if there is a big sell-off, even as long as it doesn't completely free fall, there is still resistance points it has to break. And if it does break those resistance points, then I just see it as buying opportunities. I cannot see it failing personally, but we'll have to wait and see. Now we're going to talk about DigiByte. DigiByte, why am I talking about it? Because I think it has potential. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to talk about cryptocurrencies that I enjoy talking about. With DigiByte, I generally think it does have a chance of doing pretty well this next bull run. Here's the thing, I'm not saying every single cryptocurrency is going to do well, because I don't know, I'm not an expert, but I'm just trying to show positive signs as to why certain communities are hopeful about their cryptocurrency decisions they've made, and I'm sure a lot of us will be, because this next bull run, if it does happen the way a lot of us think it's going to happen, then we should all make some form of money, because the technology will be the next step. It will be everyone will be piling their money into it. It will be all the biggest companies. It will be all of this. It'll be everything. But here's a few reasons why I think DigiByte could do very well this next bull run. Same with VeChain. Coinbase continues to explore support of new digital assets, and then you've got DigiByte there. You've got VeChain there. You've got Lisk, I think it is, and then you've got Nemo. So these are big cryptocurrencies, and remember, normally a listing for Coinbase does create a lot of hype. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. DigiByte, powered My DigiPassword, offers hack-proof users credential solution. Security loopholes of popular microblogging platform Twitter were exposed last night as a group of perpetrators promoting a Bitcoin scam breached the account of numerous influential personalities, including Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Joe Biden, among others. This, however, could have been prevented had the account owners been using my DigiPassword, the world's first blockchain-powered password generator and manager developed by DigiByte, DGB, and the Autumn ID. Use my DigiPassword for added security. Things went haywire on Twitter last night as a hacker/group of hackers gained unauthorized access to the accounts of several high-profile personnel and promoted a Bitcoin scam, duping oblivious victims to the tune of hundreds of dollars. As far as I'm aware, there was one account that got one wallet that obtained 3.8 Bitcoin, which I think is equivalent to $40,000 or something like that. So again, it's something quite questionable in my opinion. Here's a price analysis of DigiByte. Like Tron and Binance Coin, DigiByte was also seeing a drop in its value at press time. In fact, the price has dropped by 13% since July, and the look of it, a bounce might be underway. This bounce will take place from the support level at 0.19 and go towards the resistance at 0.02. Depending on where the big coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum head, DGB will follow suit, hence it could head down if influenced by these coins. The MACD indicator simply showed that the drop in price has triggered a bearish crossover on the charts. Now, a lot of you, if you are invested in DigiByte, you will remember the DigiByte 400% rally reminds us of the good old days in crypto market. This was back in May, and if we have a look at DigiByte's price, it is just shy of it's just over 2 cents. If we have a look at it on the 12-month all year, to me that looks like the sign of a bounce back is coming. This is where it's make or break for cryptocurrency. I personally have never been so bullish for it in my life because I think this is what we've been waiting for. But a lot of these charts are looking like this, and it's rather a case of, are they going to nosedive down, or are they going to nosedive up? The technology for a lot of these cryptocurrencies are very, very likable, and to me, a lot of them are going to change the future, and a lot of big things are going to come. Stellar's price again, this chart very attractive across the whole board. It's a very positive sign that we're going to heading towards this direction, but it does all depend on what direction Bitcoin heads in. If this is the case of where Bitcoin is now becoming 15 months of volatility, it's looking a lot more stable. It's not going up, which is a very positive thing, because at the minute it just shows what direction we're going to be heading in. It's rather going to be a big dump or a bull run's about to happen. And if this bull run happens, a lot of cryptocurrencies out there, majority of the market follows Bitcoin. Majority Chainlink is at the minute the only cryptocurrency that is seeming to do its own thing, but even then it still holds on to what Bitcoin does to some extent, but a lot of them are just relying on Bitcoin, what it's going to do. And if Bitcoin, this is why everyone keeps making these insane price predictions and stuff like that, because if Bitcoin goes to anywhere above its all-time high, the rest of the market is going to follow. It's what happened last time, and it's what happen this time. It's absolutely insane if this does happen, but we cannot jump the gun yet. We just have to be patient. I know I'm not selling any of it because I've been waiting 3 to 4 years for this moment, and even if it takes it until the end of the year for it to even get going, it's coming. To me, I'm waiting. I'm not going to stop waiting because I know it's going to happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed anything I brought to you. This has been my video for today. If you liked anything, don't forget to smash that like button, share the video or subscribe. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Peace.